Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can blur faces in Canva. Once you have opened your Canva project and then click on your image. Now on the top bar here you can see edit photo. Just click on that. Now on the left panel here you can see this option. Now scroll down and here go to the effect. Now here you can see blur. Just select this blur effect. Click on this. Now you can see two options, one is brush and another is whole image. If you want to blur the whole image, you can do this. Just click on this whole image and increase the intensity value. Now the whole image will be blurred. So go to the brush. We are gonna add blur effect in face. For that, just go to the add blur and here you can see blur size. We can increase the blur size from here. This is the size and we can increase or decrease the size. Here you can see intensity. You can increase the intensity value or decrease the value. So keep it 16 or as you want. And here just click and drag. Now the blur effect added in the face. So this is how you can add blur effect in face. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button.